Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw Banjo Kazooie. So, to start off, we're going to begin right about here on our paper, and we're going to start with Banjo's eyes. So, to begin, I'm just going to make a small oval like this, and then I'm going to make another small oval right next to it. Then inside that oval, I'm going to put two circles. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to color in that small circle and leave just a little bit of white. Now, over here, I'm going to add another circle shape for his nose. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve right below his eyes. And then I'm going to curve it around and down here. Then I'm going to start here and I'm going to curve way far down and then curve it up here. And then I'm going to curve it back down and around like this. Then I'm just going to connect this line for the mouth. Then over here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes up. And then I'm going to make a couple pointy lines for some hair, and then I'm going to curve it around here. Then I'm going to draw a little shape for the ear, kind of like a little square. And then I'm going to do that same thing inside of there. Then I'm just going to draw a line that goes down. So let's finish off a couple details on his face. So I'm going to put two circles on his nose. I'll go ahead and color those in. Then I'm going to draw a line that comes down here on his nose. And then inside here, I'm going to add a couple little bumps for some teeth. Next, we're going to draw the strap of the backpack that he's wearing. So starting here, I'm going to draw a little square shape like this. Then I'm going to make two little ovals on each side. Then I'm going to draw another little line under here. And I'm going to curve this around like that. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, and then when I get to the end, I'm just going to make it pointy. Now, he has a little necklace around him, so to draw that, I'm going to make a little curved line here, and then a line that comes out from the strap. And then it's just kind of like a little teardrop shape. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that curves down a little bit. Then I'm just going to come over here and then go up. Now for his arm. So first, I'm just going to draw a line that goes up and then out a little bit. And then this one's going to come up just like that. Then I'm going to put two lines right here where his arm bends. And then I'm going to curve the line up, and I'm going to make some little furry lines right here for some hair. Then I'm going to draw a thumb. Then over here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and over a little bit, and then kind of curls around for one finger. Then this one's going to go up, over, and then kind of curl around for another one. And this one's going to go up and around and then down here. Then I'm going to put a little extra line on each of those just to make them a little bit longer. Then on the tip of each finger, I'm going to put a little claw. Next, let's draw this other arm. So starting right here by the face, I'm going to draw a line that goes out like that. Put some more fur lines on it. And then just draw it back here. Now this one, I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that curves out for one finger. Then it's going to come back here a little bit. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes down and up for another finger, or the thumb, I should say. Then I'm going to make a line here for another finger, and then a line here for the last finger. And then I'm going to put the claws on there again. Next, I'm going to draw his stomach. So I'm going to start here and draw a line that goes up to the tooth, and then kind of curves back around and down to here. Now, let's draw his pants. So first, let's put a belt on there. So I'm going to draw a little curved line right here. And then I'm just going to continue it here and leave a little bit of space. I'm going to make a small oval right here. And then I'm just going to make a line like this for part of the belt. Then I'm going to draw a long rectangle. And the same thing on this side. Then I'll draw two lines coming down for the pants. And draw them going over a little bit. So this leg, I'm going to draw a line that comes out. And then I'm going to start here and put a little curve on there. Then I'm going to bring this line down and have it curve up. And then put a line here and bring this up. Now for this leg, I'm going to draw a line that comes out, goes down, and then I'll make some more of those fur lines, and then bring it back up here. Then I'm going to start here by drawing a round curve for a toe. Then I'm going to put another one here. And another one right there. Then I'm going to curve this around and up here for his foot. Then on each one of these toes, I'm going to put a little claw. Just color it in because they're going to be black anyway. And then I'm going to make a little shape like that for the bottom of the foot. And then I'm going to put 3 circles on there for the pads. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line that curves down. And then I'm going to add a few little lines like this for the other leg. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes down, curves around, and then comes back up. Now this leg, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make some of those fur lines. And then I'm going to curve it around here. And then down here, I'm going to draw one circle, another one, and then one more right there. Then I'm going to draw a line that curves out and then down to connect to it, and one line there. Then I'm going to put the little claws on here again and just color them in. Okay, so now we need to draw Kazooie the bird. So, starting right up here, I'm going to draw a circle for an eye, and then another circle up here. And just like I did the other eyes, I'm going to put two more circles in each one. And then I'm going to put two little black circles in there. Then I'm going to draw a line that curves out here, goes down, and then up for the beak. Then I'm just going to put a little V shape right there for the mouth. Then around here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down, and then goes back around, and then up for the rest of the beak. Then I'm going to put some eyelashes above the eyes, like that, and then give her a little tongue. Now, let's finish off her head. So, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that kind of curves up, and then goes up, and then right around here like this. Then I'm going to draw two lines that curve up here on top of her head. And I'm just going to make some little quick lines on there for her hair. Then underneath here, I'm going to draw two curved lines for a neck. And then I'm going to bring this line all the way down to his shoulder. Then this line I'm going to curve back here. And then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that kind of curves up and then curves back around like this. Then I'm going to draw some feathers. So I'm going to start with one feather here. And then another feather here. And then I'm just going to keep adding these around here, and I'm going to slowly get smaller as I move back towards the body. I'm just going to finish them off right there. Now, over here, I'm going to start this wing right here, and I'm going to go up and around like this. And then I'm going to continue these up and around like that. Then I'm going to start by drawing one big feather here. Then I'm going to put another one up here. And then I'm going to keep putting a few more on here. Then I'm going to add a few more feathers going down and end it right there. Then I'm going to draw a line right here to show the backpack that she's sitting in. And then on the very tip of her nose, I'm going to draw a little line where there's going to be some color. And there you go. There's your drawing of Banjo Kazooie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.